Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to panibagong video po and tutorial. Sa ngayon ay tatalakayin natin yung bagong feature ni GCash, no? Merong feature kasi si GCash na binigay sa atin, no? So open natin yung ating GCash. Alright, so si GCash pala ay meron siyang bagong feature, tinatawag nilang GGives. Okay, so yung GGives, ito po yung para po sa mga installment, no? Pag nag-loan ka ng any products or anong gusto mong i-loan at gusto mong bayaran lang in very affordable monthly installment. So try natin tong i-activate, no? GGives. Ayan, welcome to GCash Shop now and pay later with easy installment. So, next lang natin ito. Get your dream purchase in small and easy payments. Meron tayong ano dito, no? Nakalagay dito, pre-approved based on the G-score, pay in installment, enjoy low interest rate and flexible terms. Right, so try natin i-next. Try natin kung magkano yung ating makukuha. So, ayan, meron lang ditong review your personal information. For a seamless experience, we pre-filed the field with information you've shared with GCash. So, ito ay powered by Fuse. Mamaya i-ano natin kung anong klaseng company itong si Fuse, no? Next lang natin, and then nickname optional, ayan, then small business, yes, emergency contact, and then other number optional. So try nating gamitin yung ating GOMO number 09763, and then emergency, paste natin. Okay, 00. And then relationship is spouse, and next, and agree. Of course, agree lang tayo ng agree, no? Okay, so proceed na tayo kasi mahaba ito, no? Mahaba itong kanilang ano. So data privacy, meron din siyang data privacy. So activate my GGives. Try natin ito, guys. Alright, so GGives application successful. Back to GCash dashboard. And try natin ulit. I-open ito. Okay, so meron na siyang notification si GGives, no? Congratulations, you can now start using GGives shops without worries and pay in easy installment. Enjoy as low as 0 interest in our partner merchants. Visit gocashcom/GGivesPartners to learn more. Alright, so tingnan natin yung mga partners ni GGives. Okay, enjoy GGives with our partner merchant, no? Ang category, meron convenience stores. Yung mga convenience stores. Try natin Okay, meron siyang 7-Eleven, Mini-Stop, Select, SM Appliance Supermarket. Meron din sila, no? Okay, so yun yung mga partners nila so far. So, pwede tayong mag-utang pala sa 7-Eleven. Go back. Sa food naman, no? Tingnan natin sa food. KFC, SNR, and then Starbucks. Alright. Para naman sa pharmacies, drugstores. Okay, Mercury Drug, Southstar, and Watson. And retail. For the retail, we have Ace, Adidas, All Home, Data Blitz, Decathlon, AO, Handyman, Home Along, Huawei, Ideal Vision, MX. So ito yung MX Memo Express, no? Lacoste, Memo Express, Mi Store, Nike, Octagon, PCX. Meron silang Power Mac Center, Robinsons Appliances, Robinsons Department Store, and meron pa dito True Value, Vilman, and Zara. Supermarkets, All Day Ever, Rastan Pure Gold, Robinsons, Rastan SNR, Shopwise, and Walter Mart. Sa services naman, Axia Development, Bello Medical, and then High Precision and Skin Station. I think wala dito sa ating lugar masyadong ano. Tuloy natin, no? Okay, so para sa transportation, Picaro. Okay, so yan po yung ating mga possible na ma-avail for the GCash. Okay, so balik tayo dito sa ating, so open natin yung GCash ulit. Ang GCash natin ay you can shop up to 25,000 pesos. Okay, shop your favorite brands with GCash. You can check out here, partners brand. So yun na nga po, na check na natin yung ating mga ano, na check na natin kanina, no? So, for convenience store, pwede lang tayong makapag ano sa yung available lang sa atin is 7-Eleven, yung malapit sa atin, at saka yung SM appliance center or supermarket. So, yun lang po ang ating video update ngayon regarding sa GCash Shop Now Pay Later with easy installment ng GCash. Feature ito, bagong feature ito ni GCash. Meron din pala tayong G-Loan pero hindi pa tayo nakapag-apply. But then we are also approved, or we are pre-approved for this loan. Okay, so hindi natin yan tatalakay ngayon. Next time na lang. And maraming salamat po sa inyong panunod at see you next time. Goodbye, and please don't forget to subscribe or like this video if you like this, and subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Goodbye.